I am AJ, and today I will be making the Avishkaar Mex Starter Robotics Kit, and I will be making the first robot on the manual. So I've already prepared all the parts here in this table, and I will be showing you what I'm going to make. So this right here is what I'm going to make. I'm going to make the Mex Mobile. Okay, so I will change to time lapse so it won't be super slow for you guys.
Little hands, big dreams. Eyes a time of gleams. Building blocks and schemes. World beyond what it seems. In the Philippines, dear. Got a future so clear. Invention brings cheer. Ear. Innovation draws near. Dream and fly high. Touch the bright sky. Change the world, why? You've got that spark in your eye. Leadership and heart. Know just where to start. Every piece, every part. Building the work of art. Dream and fly high. Touch the bright sky. Change the world, why? You've got that spark in your eye. Never let go of hope. On challenges you'll cope. With your dreams you'll elope. You're the world's new scope. Dream and fly high. Touch the bright sky. Change the world, why? You've got that spark in your eye. In your eye.
Okay, so now the robot Mex Mobile is done. So now we will use the Avishkaar app to connect to the robot. As you guys can see, very nice, right? Okay, so we will click display button here. Display button here. Now we will click let's play. Okay, so there's a connect button here, so we click connect. Here it says the robot, so we will click connect. Okay, so now it says connected, right? We will click you can also change the brain name if you don't like the name. So you'll click let's play and look for your kit that you have registered to. Click on that. Here you have the controls. Let's control it. Woo! Fast! It's very fast, guys. Very fast. Look how fast it goes. Woo! Woo! So there's also more controls if you don't like the way it is made. So here we have joypad. You can fix it so it can go reverse. You can have low speed, medium speed. You have medium speed, and you have high speed. Okay, high speed here. You also, here's the reverse. You have, if you want on the left side or right side, the joystick. Here you have the controls. This goes forward or this goes backward. And you also can customize how it looks if you want it to be vertical or horizontal controls. So yeah, this is very cool. It's on low speed right now. Ooh, very fast. So thank you guys for watching. On the next video, I will build the next robot, which will be the A-Bot Advanced. Thank you for watching.
Little hands, big dreams. Eyes that shine with gleams.